Replacing Vodacom SIM is a pretty simple thing to do, and I will show you exactly three methods using which you will be able to swap the SIMs using these three simple methods. So if you're new to the channel, just simply go ahead and like the video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So what you have to do is to number one is that put the new SIM card that you just registered on your phone, wait about 3 minutes and then let it go off and dial 136 for from it now, and you will be asked if you want to do a SIM swap from this number or another number. If you want to use this number, choose to do a SIM swap from this number, and then you will be automatically put in touch with a call center consultant. The person at the call center will ask you some questions, which I have listened and explained below. If you answer them correctly, they will switch your SIM card for you. Now turn off the phone and wait for at least 4 hours. When you turn the phone back on, some welcome messages will play. If you call 100, you will hear your account balance. Then to check your number, call star triple one star triple five hash, and you will be able to swap the SIMs. So second method is uh take out your phone and SMS 0827678287 with a port me message and your new SIM card, the 20-digit number on the Vodacom starter pack you just bought. This method doesn't work for the SIM swaps. It only works for the porting when you want to move your number from another network. So method is, if none of the above method works, take the following papers to nearest Vodacom store. You'll have the freaking ID card. If you are a foreigner, use passport, asylum paper, or permit, and affidavit or proof of where you live. So that will do it. I hope you find this video helpful.